Carolyn Wintrip, a senior consultant with Humber Corporate Training Solutions. I facilitate both in-person and virtual learning. We've been working closely with our clients to convert our in-person training to the virtual environment. We've received great feedback around how engaging and interactive our virtual workshops are for people. We achieve this by using a variety of classroom tools and features that really foster collaboration, participation, and active engagement with the content. We treat people as though we're in the room together, and this helps us to achieve a really highly interactive learning experience. We support people with pre-activities, post-activities, job aids, resources, and other tools that allow them to really make sense of the content in terms of their job performance. All of our Humber virtual learning sessions are facilitated by experienced facilitators who've received specialized training for creating a highly interactive virtual session. We are also supported in the virtual classroom by trained producers who are there to provide tech support and to ensure that our participants and facilitators can really focus on the interaction, the engagement, and the learning itself. So please reach out to us, find out more about how we can support you, your organization, with delivering high quality virtual learning that achieves results.